So the problem with this iPad is that the display does not work. All that it shows is kind of a white band going across the iPad from left to right. So, and this happened because of an impact. Probably it was dropped. I mean, I'm sure it was dropped, and that's why it stopped displaying the screen. So let me see. Since it went in bad shape because of a drop or an impact, the idea would be, and this is an old iPad, so it's almost done using this. Like, even if it does not come back on again, that would be fine. But it has happened more than two to three times. Sorry, more than two to three times. This iPad has gone into this mode, like displaying just the white band, and then again it was dropped again, and it came back to life. So I'm trying to simulate a similar scenario, like a back impact, reverse impact. One thing I'm going to try is reboot using the home button and the sleep button. Let me try that. Holding it for 10 to 15 seconds. So that did not help. The white patch is still going across. Okay. Since it was definitely a drop that damaged the display, and it was definitely another drop in the past that brought back the display, I'm just going to try the same option. Drop it sideways and try to take a look. Band size and shape has changed a little. That doesn't make I mean, that's no progress. Let's try again. I'm gonna try to reboot again using the sleep and home button again. Okay, no luck. Gonna shut down and then do another drop try. Shut down, and let's try. So there it is. There it is. I just dropped it sideways and from a little higher height. Higher height. I mean, it was a drop from say 2 to 3 feet, and I dropped it sideways, and I see a positive sign. The only sign I want to see. I mean, this is it. I mean, I know it sounds funny, it sounds crazy, or whatever it is, but I was 100% sure. And like I mentioned earlier, this has happened 2 to 3 times in the past. This iPad lost its display because of a drop, and then the little ones in the house dropped it again. or and they were playing with the iPad. I said, how did the iPad come back to life? And I knew it was because of another drop. So a damaging drop and then a recovery drop. So believe it or not, I mean, the thing that worked was the impact on this side. This is the home button, and the left side of the iPad came in contact with the floor, and it was dropped about from 2 to 3 feet high. And now you can see things are working like before. I mean, of course, you have not seen this before, but you saw the damage condition, right? So there it is. The iPad is back to life. All right. Hope this helps. This is not an iPad mini or a recent one. It's an old one. It's the iPad 1 or iPad 2. I think it's an iPad 2 with and it uses the broader pin, the 9 or 16 pin charging cable. It's not the regular lightning pin. All right, so this is YouTube, and you can see the iPad has been brought back to life. Thank you.